Hello friends, welcome to third Bricks Android tutorial. In this tutorial we will learn how to run Eclipse and configure it. So when you have extracted the zip file downloaded from internet, you will get two folders. One is with name Eclipse and the second one is SDK. Inside this folder Eclipse, you will find software Eclipse and all its supporting files. And inside this SDK folder, you will find all the necessary softwares which is required for Android application development. For example, this is having build tool, it is having main SDK version, platform tool, which is needed for operating system. Inside tools, you have all command line tool, which is for compiling the code. Similarly, you have few more things with this folder. So you no need to worry about this folder. This folder is used and controlled by our software called Eclipse. So let's go to the Eclipse folder and run the software Eclipse. When you will run Eclipse, depending upon the version of Eclipse, it will show you this window, blue color window. Then it will ask for a workspace. Sometime it may be possible that you will click on this link, use this as default and do not ask again. So from that time, it will never ask about workspace. But first time when you will run, it will ask for workspace. So you need to select a folder. You need to create a folder. So I have created a folder named new workspace, and I have selected this folder as my workspace. So you can see I have selected it, and when you will click on OK, Eclipse will run and use this folder as a workspace. This folder will be used for storing all the files, all the code, all the packages, all the project you will build or create for your Android development. So this is the Eclipse which is ready to run, but before you use it, you need to set the path for SDK also. So to set path, you need to go to this window Eclipse. Inside this window, you will find a link called Preferences, which is there below Eclipse button in my computer, but in your computer, it will be there below Windows icon. So go to this link called Preferences. Using this link, you can set preferences for unnecessary things. For example, Java, C. You may not have this link C, C++. You need to have C, C++ plugins to use or have this link here. But for you, only two links are necessary. One is Java and second is Android. And it may be possible that if you want to do some general setting, you may use general but link. So we are here to set the Android SDK path. So when you will click on this Android link without opening it, also it will work. It will ask for the SDK location. So it may be possible that it's already searched for that SDK folder and set the path. Otherwise, you need to click on it, go to that folder, download, and this Mac thing and SDK. Click on open, so it will set the thing, and then you need to click on the button apply. Once you will click on apply, you will see this link Android 4.4W, and then click on OK. So now you are fully ready to use Eclipse for your development. Thank you for watching this tutorial. In next tutorial, we will learn the next step for this.